This is application season for scholarships in the UK, and today I want to share with you another prestigious fully funded scholarship that covers your full tuition fee, provides up to £20,000 for your allowance for a year, and also provide you some support as well for your visa cost and your travel cost. This is a very good scholarship and you should know about it and apply as soon as you watch this video if it aligns to your career interest or your career goal. A good thing about the scholarship is that you only need to apply for admissions and you'll be contacted for the scholarship. You do not need to make a separate application for the scholarship. Only your application for admissions, which means you need to only provide your CV, your recommendation letters, and your personal statements, which are the crucial documents you need to apply for admissions in the UK. Once you provide those very good documents and submit a good application for this program, then you are considered for the scholarship. I'm going to share my screen with you shortly so you can see all the info about this scholarship and also how you can apply for it. Welcome to the University of East Anglia website. Here they have so many different scholarships. I also found one that is fully funded scholarship for master's degree programs. I'm going to show that to you shortly. Before we get into that, I just want to show you different scholarships they have on the school website. So if you come to their scholarship and funding page, you're going to find different scholarships at this university. You can choose to search for them according to the type of program you're looking for, whether BSc, whether Masters, or according to your faculty. If you're looking for partial scholarship, you can also come in here and see what you can find. This is an undergraduate scholarship and it is £15,000 for anyone who wants to apply for this particular scholarship. They also have it to the other pages as well. So just check to see if you might see something that looks like what you're looking for, and then you open to read more info about the scholarship. The one I want us to take a look at in this particular video is the fully funded scholarship, and that is for master's degree program. Is this David Sainsbury Scholarship in Global Health Plant? Okay, so this is it here. I have it now open and we can go over this. It's called the David Sainsbury Scholarships in Global Plant Health. So down here you can see more info about the scholarship, and if you click on this link, that will take you to the course page. Here is the course page where you also have an overview about the program, more info about the course before you apply. Like I always say, whenever you want to apply for a scholarship, always visit the course page and submit your application as soon as you feel like you meet the requirement. Scholarship is currently open to both UK and international students, so do it to just come in here, check. If you meet the criteria, then read all the steps. Also check the entry course requirement to ensure that you meet the requirement, everything you're looking for before you submit your application. Okay, so let's go back to the scholarship page again and let's go over the scholarship in detail. So the first one, they have two types of scholarship for this program. The first one is the David Sainsbury full MSc scholarship. So if you apply for this scholarship program, you have two options. One is the full MSc scholarship and the other one is the 50% fee scholarship. So let's see what the full scholarship contains. So if you apply for the full MSc scholarship, you're going to get your full tuition fee, which is equivalent to £37,200 if you are from outside the UK, and if you are within the UK, it is £18,850 for your tuition fee. That will be fully covered. It also comes also with your monthly allowance. So every year or throughout your study year, you're going to get up to £20,780 as your stipend. So that will be given to you maybe monthly or maybe quarterly, I am not sure. But your total stipend you're going to get from the school as your maintenance grant is £20,000. And they're also giving you additional supporting grant of £4,000 for your travel costs. And that's also subject to the cost for economic travels from your home country to the UK. This is a very good one, I would say. For you to be able to apply for this particular scholarship, you must already have an offer place to study at University of East Anglia, MSc in Global Plant Health. So you need to apply for this particular MSc program which is the link I just showed to you, which is the particular page. You need to apply for this MSc program and get an admission before you can be considered for the scholarship. That's the first criteria. The second criteria is you must be a national, or you must be from one of the least developed, low income, low middle income countries or territories as described in this link I'm going to show to you now. So this particular link, if you find the name of your country on this list, then you are eligible to apply for the program. So here's the list of all the countries that are able to apply for the program: the least developed countries, low income countries, low middle income countries, upper middle income. So if you find your name of your country on this list, then you can apply for this fully funded scholarship at University of East Anglia to study MSc in Global Plant Health. So those are the major requirements, and they said that there are limited number of scholarships available, and this will be awarded throughout the year. So you are advised to apply as soon as possible. So apply as early as possible. So if you apply now, apply today, apply as you see this video, you might just be among the lucky one. So for those who might also be targeting the half scholarship as well, it's also a very good opportunity. You will get half of your tuition fee. So here it says that each 50% fee scholarship will cover up to 50% of your full cost of your tuition fee as a UK applicant, or half of your tuition fee as an international applicant, minus any other award or scholarships you are in possession of that covers more than 50% of your scholarship. So this means that if you have other scholarships other than this particular scholarship and you have the 50% scholarship, that is okay for them. So you can apply for this scholarship and also look for other scholarships as well to support part of your tuition fee and also your living expenses to study this course at this university. And for eligibility, you need to also apply to the program and have a full offer for this Masters in Global Plant Health. And secondly, it says that you are not a national from the countries that was listed before. So which means that if the name of your country is on the list that I just shown to you, the eligible countries for the full scholarship, you can't apply for this program. So this is only for those who are not nationals from those least developing country, low income countries. And yeah, it's a postgraduate taught master's program. It covers your full tuition fee and maintenance grant. And then how do you apply? It's a very easy application process. It says that provided you meet the eligibility criteria, you will be automatically considered for the scholarship on a competitive basis. So there is no separate application for the scholarship. So once you apply for the scholarship and you have a very good application, usually apply to this university is for you to apply for admission. You need to have your transcript, your certificate, and your very good personal statement. That is all you need to normally apply for master's taught program in the UK. So you need to have a very good document. Your CV should be top notch, your recommendation letters and your personal statement should be in a very good place. So do what to ensure that you provide the best in your application. So they also say that you will be evaluated for the scholarship based on same criteria used to evaluate your application to enroll on the courses. And the criteria are your academic achievement, your academic awards together with your knowledge, your experience, your potentials in any of these areas. So molecular biology, genetic, molecular interaction, data science, bioinformatics, scientist, whatever program. So all skills you have in line with whatever they have stated here, that is how you'll be assessed based on your application. So do well to ensure that if you have any of these skills, highlight them critically in your personal statement because you will be assessed based on this. Now, good news is that the deadline is still very, very far. But remember, they stated that competition for this scholarship is very high. They said you are advised to apply early. So apply as soon as possible. The deadline for scholarship is still very far, 30th of May 2026. But if you have your way, apply today, apply now, apply as soon as you can, so that you can be considered for the scholarship. Please do not wait till the last minute before you apply. So once you're ready, just click here. That will take you to the course page, which I shown to you earlier. So this is the course page. It takes you here. You read all the info about the course, like I said, review every step by step information you can see here, the entry requirements, review them, and then you go over to how to apply. You only need to submit your application through the application portal, and like I said, have your CV in a good place, have your recommendation letters in a very good place, have your personal statement in a very good place, and do not forget that when you're writing your personal statement for your application, please do well to highlight all of the skills they are requiring from you. So if you have any of the skills that they have mentioned here, please shout them in your personal statement, announce it, so that you can be among the successful ones. So guys, I think that's all. It's a very easy application process. The major thing is just for you to be able to put together all of the information needed from you if you meet these requirements. I hope this is helpful, but before you go, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and help me share this with a friend who is in area of agriculture, molecular biology, bio whatever areas, and the courses are aligned to plant health. Please do share this video with them. Thank you so much guys, and I wish you all the very best in your applications. I hope you find value for this, and I hope that this program that you have just seen aligns to your career goal and your career interest. If it does, please do apply for scholarship as soon as possible. As you can see, you only need to apply for admissions and you are considered for the scholarship. Do not wait till next year before you submit your application, because this is on a rolling basis. So the earlier you submit your application for the scholarship, the better for you. I wish you all the best in your application. If you want me to work very closely with you as you journey through your scholarship application journey, join my scholarship community, where I will have that time, dedicate my time to work very closely with you, review your documents before you apply for your scholarship, and even show you how to prepare your document. And yeah, having me around to support, to provide advice will also make the journey very easy and interesting for you. So do want to join our community, link in the description of this video. But before we go, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. I would really love to know. Okay, all right then, I will see you on the next one. Bye.